Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Before we begin, here are today's top crypto headlines. Bitcoin briefly fell below $60,000 before recovering. ETF outflows continue to pressure Bitcoin and Ethereum. XRP is showing relative strength while most major cryptocurrencies remain weak. Crypto traders are divided on whether the market has found a bottom. Now let's get into the details. Bitcoin remains the biggest story in the crypto market. After falling below the important $60,000 level, Bitcoin managed to recover slightly, but overall sentiment remains cautious. The recent decline triggered heavy liquidations as leveraged traders were forced out of their positions. This increased selling pressure and added to market volatility. A major reason for the weakness is the continued outflow from spot Bitcoin ETFs. Institutional investors have withdrawn billions of dollars from these products over recent weeks. Since ETF flows are often viewed as a measure of institutional confidence, many analysts are closely monitoring whether these outflows begin to slow. Ethereum has also struggled alongside Bitcoin. The second largest cryptocurrency continues to face pressure as investors reduce exposure to risk assets. Despite the recent weakness, Ethereum remains the leading blockchain for decentralized finance, smart contracts, and tokenized assets. Interestingly, not every cryptocurrency is underperforming. XRP-related investment products have attracted fresh inflows, suggesting that some investors are selectively moving capital rather than exiting the crypto market entirely. Solana and several other major altcoins are also being watched for signs of relative strength. On X, formerly Twitter, discussions remain highly divided. Some traders believe the current correction is creating an attractive buying opportunity. Others argue that continued ETF outflows and uncertain economic conditions could push prices lower before a true recovery begins. Regulation continues to be another key topic. Governments around the world are working on clearer digital asset frameworks. Many investors believe regulatory clarity could encourage greater institutional participation in the long term. Looking ahead, traders are watching 5 major factors: ETF flows, Bitcoin support levels, Ethereum performance, economic data, and overall market sentiment. The bullish argument is that Bitcoin has already experienced a significant correction and fear levels are extremely high. Historically, major crypto recoveries often begin when sentiment is at its worst. The bearish argument is that institutional demand remains weak and additional downside remains possible if ETF outflows continue. For now, the market remains at a critical stage. Bitcoin is fighting to hold important support levels, Ethereum is searching for momentum, and investors are waiting for signals that confidence is returning. That's all for today's crypto update. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more daily crypto news and market analysis. See you in the next update.